Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So here we're looking at number 7, yeah? And as I go through a breakdown, I've actually completed the whole question into bits, okay? But to start off, I want us to just fully understand the notation used in number 7. So it states that a curve with equation y equals fx passes through the point 425, okay? This is going to be valid for later on. Given that f prime x, so this is known as the first derivative, which over here you can say that f prime x is the same as dy over dx, and if they had a double prime or two primes, as in two apostrophes, it's a second derivative, and so on. Okay, alright, so they give you something and we need to find fx. In other words, we need to go from f prime to regular f, so dy dx regular y, and to do that we need to use integration. So on the next slide I did it here. So always stay this fact here. So f prime x to fx you integrate. Now integrating is, well, straightforward, thankfully. You look at each term, so let's look at the first one, 3 over 8 x squared. We look at x squared, raise the power up by 1, so it'll be x cubed, and then divided by 3. So you can stick them together. You can say 3x cubed over 8 times 3. The next one, you're going to have 10x, add 1 to the power, so minus half. If you're not sure how to add 1, just put in your calculator, minus half plus 1, which gives you normal half, over itself, half. And then finally 1 integrates to just x. Remember, this is the same as x to the power 0. X to the power 0, if you just want to see it clearly, it integrates to x, 1x to the power 1 over 1, which again is all just x. But to make your life easy, a constant becomes x, a constant 2 becomes 2x, and so on. And of course, don't forget plus c. Now, thankfully, because of our calculator, we can fully simplify this. So in your calculator, go ahead and write 3 over 8 times 3 and 10 over half to give you the simplified versions. Now, what do we do from here? So recall out how they told us that we need to use the point 425, because that's what this curve y equals fx passes through. Now, the point of this is that this is not the final result. We need to evaluate c with the given conditions. So I said, okay, at 425, i.e. when x equals 4 or y equals 25, we just plug into this equation. So fx becomes 25 and all these x's become 4. And then as always, go ahead and simplify the right hand side. So all of this in your calculator becomes 8 minus 40 plus 4. Move it to the left hand side by minusing 8, plusing 4 and minusing 4, and you should get c equals 53. And then before you stop there and even put your pens down, make sure you write the complete answer. So go ahead and rewrite your original fx equation. Instead of c, make sure it is plus 53. And that's it, guys. Hope number 7 helped. And other than that, I shall see you lot in the next question.